said you'd never leave. You told me that you